This is S Carbon Cub 2. Changing this to put this. It's got shocks on it. Perfect for the landing. But this right here is like, and plus it'll make it look nice. So let's check it out when I change it.
They're asking for privacy as they grieve.
Unfortunately, neighbors describe a violent weekend in Milwaukee that left
Put it away and save it. And then I get this new one, and we're gonna have to loosen everything up to get this part in there first. So let's loosen it up. So that's good enough right there. We'll put it back later. Now we gotta get this two things out. Oh, we don't have to. We could just, let's see, better close it up. Nah, I won't. So we're gonna have to loosen these up too. So we gotta get this off in order to get this part before we can put it on the Cub. You'll see what I mean. Okay, right smooth. Now I'm gonna smooth this out real quick, because this is gonna go like this. Put something in here, and it's gonna make it flip like that if I could put the battery in there. But right now, this is blocking it, but it's gonna work perfect. So let's try to smooth these plastic out real quick. Now check it out for the battery case. Ain't worry about those holes, because this doesn't matter. So as long as it's holding the case, perfect. Sealed in perfect. Look. Put the battery in there. So now let's get the shock together.